Dober večer in dobrodošli na tretji tekmovalni program FeKK YU. Moje ime je Peter Carovšek in sem selektor tega programa. Kot sem omenil že včeraj in predvčerajšnjem, nažalost, letos ne morejo biti z nami avtorji filmov, ampak so nam nekateri od njih poslali kratke video pozdrave, ki jih boste videli pred njihovimi filmi. Pozoril bi še, da po projekciji prvega programa sledi 5-minutna pauza, potem pa nadaljujemo s slovenskim tekmovalnim programom. So, welcome to the third competition screening FeKK YU. My name is Peter Carovšek and I was selector of this program. As I mentioned before, unfortunately, because of the circumstances, the authors of these films cannot be with us, but some of them had sent us their video introductions. After the screening, we have 5 minutes break and then we start with Slovenian competition. I hope you will enjoy the screening in se vidimo kasneje. Ciao.
I hope you're all having a great evening. I'm heartbroken that I couldn't come to the festival tonight, but I almost made it, I guess not this year. Enjoy my graduation film Kokpera that took me 1,000,000 years to finish.
Hello everyone, my name is Bella and I'm the director of the movie I Still Don't Know that you're about to watch right now. I would like to thank you for the opportunity to be a part of this year's FeKK. Also, I'm very sad that I can't be in the audience with you right now and I hope that you enjoyed the film. Bye!
Kad šetam vlastitim mislama, u njima uočavam djeliće drugih koji me čine onim što jesam, posebice onih čijih se lica sve teže mogu sjetiti. Svi ti fragmenti imaju svoju magiju, poklanjaju me trenutke pribranosti. Od uvijek polujem od velčmerca.
Hi, and greetings to the FeKK Film Festival in Ljubljana. My name is Abbas Hamzi. I'm a filmmaker from Bosnia and Herzegovina, and I'm very sad that I won't be able to attend your beautiful festival this year. I hope there will be a chance next year, and year after that, and year after that, and forever. My film is called When the Sun Wakes Up. It's a one-shot first-person nightmare based on fears of growing up, and in the morning when the sun wakes up, when we have to do all those things we are supposed to do just for our natural progress, and life in the modern world, full of anxiety and things like that. What I aspire to do always in films is to create a special feeling, using the film language to create this one specific feeling that you can't get like anywhere else. And I hope you will feel this film in a special way. So thank you very much and enjoy the film. Yeah.
Koji od ta dva? A nemoj sad još malo već s njom. Joj, kako je lijepa da mi je samo malo. Ja nisam ti rekao sad će proljeće, a ja još nisam spreman da uživam.
Što ga ne možeš udariti jače?
Udari jače, razbit će se prozor.
Kad se sunce probudi.
Pa drsaj ga, ima gore usivač.
Kad se probudi.
Sad ću ti ja donijeti usivač dozgu.
Kad se sunce probudi. Sve tu.
Ne izlazi napolje, ima škorpija.
Škorpija?
Jeste, nemoj izlazit. Ne može, rekao, ne može.
Ama, nema usivača.